recording. What's up? On the 110, it's still cold. It was smoking a little bit when I started up. I did not like that. I can't really tell now. Just looking behind me, see if it's smoke. I don't think so. Since the last time I recorded a video, I replaced the timing chain because it was a bit not loose, stretched. It was a bit stretched, which made it loose. And then new chain, like normal chain. And I've gotten a lot better at 4th gear wheelies, so that's kind of cool. So, but I have not rode for like 2 weeks, so I'm kind of ass actually. Might have to retract that statement. What the fuck? I'm just like going to the side for some reason. Like I can't get it now. I was really good one day, but I think that went away. Yeah, no, this is not going well for me, and I don't like it. It's not nice. Any cars? Nope. Yeah, I'm not lying, I was decent at 4th gear wheelies. I was getting them down, son. But not now. No, I'm probably fucking ass now, because I said I'm getting better. That was a little scary, but it's okay. I'm not going to pop it up until after the sale because those are big scary. I'm retarded. Slide out a bit, but I don't think it's going to do it. I wonder why. Maybe because I have like 5 horsepower. I don't know. Just maybe. Come on, nope. It was not coming back over. I hear a squeaky noise. I might have forgot to lube my chain. Let's just put it back and forth just to see if that's what it is. I don't know. It's probably the chain. Oh well. car behind me. They're further back than I thought, but still. So there's gonna be a shorter ride because I've got shit to do, but I don't want to do it. So that's pretty much sum it up. Yeah, it's definitely the chain. Sorry, chain. If they're staying back there, they can just do them, you know? Whatever. These freaking pretty strings are kind of annoying. Hey, well, they're a little too stuck. That was a little sketchy, but that went on pretty good. I think I'm going to take a left down this road and head her back home. Lose my chance, I'm probably going to practice some slow wheelies at the arena. I don't like this speed. Why is it only when I accelerate? I don't know. I think I heard it. I still hear it when I'm not accelerating, so that makes me feel a lot better. But this wheel is not making me feel good. This bike. I am overthinking the shit out of this. And I am on a shitty spot to be checking if the front wheels fuck. Ugh. Ugh. Spin, goddammit. And maybe it's a bit bent now. That's understandable.
That's a little scary!
Mama! What are you looking at, huh? Oh, looking at me funny.
I like it.
See, I wanted to drive it back and like be cool and straight, but that's a little scary.
Just a little bit.
I thought I saw a car on the road, so I'm staying slow. Yeah, there is a truck in the middle of the road. The hill screwed me up. In the loose gravel. I was scared there was a car. And this fucking dirt is fucking me up. I did scrape it. Let's see if there's a mark. I see my tire track. Alright, I don't think we're gonna see it, but I fucking scraped it. See if there's grass on it. There's not, but I did scrape. Let's see if it's still smoking. It is not. I don't know why I put my hand over it. That had nothing to do with it to see if it was smoking. That would not have been good. tire flat. Front one isn't. It just felt a little funky. Must have just been the line. They'll jump. Alright, nope. No way I could keep that going. I was starting to go a little bit that way. I started to slide. Yeah, no way I could do that. No way, Jose. But I cannot do this. Maybe not. Person up there. I'm gonna take a little turn, you know. A little bit that way. They're just standing there. Like, I'm on my phone. While I go, do. Nope. Do not hit me, car. Thanks for the wave. They cannot wave. A little bit risky. Alright, I'm gonna pause this here and move my chain, then I'm going back. Alright, we're back. Which way is this car turning? They're going this way. She looked very happy. Probably because she can't wheel it like me, that's why she's so happy. I adjusted my brake. I gave it 2 turns. That's too many. Just seemed like it was rubbing a bit. What am I doing? Well, going back to how it was. Or I think back to how it was. Whoopsie. Oh, my boot. Whoopsies. Whoops the daisies. Too slow for the brakes to do something. Like they stopped, then I didn't do anything. Back fender's still good. Why is there a van behind Joey's house? What's the thing, dude? Went too far back and I saw a sign and I was scared. I think I should calm her down a little bit. Yeah, no, I don't like you, sign. And I don't like what I'm feeling right now. Just the ability not to wheelie. I'm not liking that feeling. Holy fuck, squirrel. You almost died. wheelie. What the fuck? I hit the brake, but like it's not going how I want it to go. I'm not appreciating the feelings that I am feeling right now. Get out of here, Leaf. Let's go explore. It's random. One more. Sitting down, because why not? Ow! That really hurt. Note to self, do not sit down and try to go over a curb. Feels fine. I felt that one hit the rim, and it was not nice. At all. Something feeling a little weird. This person going better slow. What if I sit up very farther? Very uncomfortable, but better. Let's just do a big fourth gear burnout, because shit's in gear. Whoops-a-days. That is not working. Whoops-a-days. Very cool. Very good for the bike. Let me just fix real quick. Just fix. There we go. That's why I have new back tire. Something feels weird. I just can't put my finger on it. Apparently I tilt to the side when trying to do the knocking knee. Huh. He's buzzing. Does that feel fun? I don't like being that high in the RPMs. I don't know if that was in my gearbox or my brake, but either way, probably not good. I don't like doing the drift that way, I only like going this way. But it's not as like it's the other way, just not as the same. And this way don't feel the right. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Poor clutch. Who made the mark? It's a daisy, I did not mean to do that. What? Does that do not feel right? Oh, no, not right. I'm going to do this a little jump. That's not even that bad. I'm going to do the higher one, I think. After I do the small one, maybe one more time. No, that's probably not good for it. But I said I'd do it so I can't just pussy out, which I'm not pussy out, but that little bit of dirt scare me, but I think it's okay. We're good. What the fuck? They weren't looking. Well, I'm going home now, so there's going to be absolutely nothing exciting. So I'm just going to shut this off here.